Alright, hear me out. When I was a kid, I grew up with a lot of this.
Oh, not as best as I am! You are!
So naturally, as I grew older, I learned the magic words, and then I also started to sound like this. Delightful. I know. However, about 2.5 years ago, I decided that I wanted to stop cursing. I felt like I was being toxic and I really didn't want to. No! Long intro bad! Why would I spend minutes explaining something that you could have easily read from the title? I know you're stupid, but not that stupid. Though I can tell you really quickly why I'm doing this. So here's the thing, I don't curse. Whenever you think I actually curse in video, I don't. I just pretend that I do. What the actual I stopped right before I say the word, or I cut or bleep or whatever, just to make it sound like I did it, but I didn't. And sometimes I just say a different word and then bleep it because I don't want to sound cringe, but I still want to get the same effect. What the fudge? But I do think curse words really add to a video. They make a video much funnier if timed correctly.
I'm fucking tired.
And since I don't really plan on stopping my non-cursing streak on purpose, I'd like to make something that does it for me. Now if you'll excuse me, I gotta go be a disappointment again. So first we're gonna get Python to work on this PC. Print hello world. Great, now I can add that to my resume. Alright, step by step what we need. We need to listen to the user, we need to turn whatever the person said into a string, which is a bunch of words and sentences between quotes. Then we want that string to be compared to a bunch of other strings that I've already written out, and then when it equals to one of those strings, it will give me a response, which is a bunch of crazy curse words. So for that we need to add some libraries. Libraries are basically just a bunch of stuff that already exists in Python, made by some other people, so that we don't have to program that ourselves. Gosh dang it, my audio won't install. Why does everything hate me? Fast forward 2 hours, please end me. I reinstalled Visual Studio, I deleted everything related to Python from my PC. I found out that wasn't necessary, I screamed a lot. Then I reinstalled Python, I learned basic library importing because apparently I'm an idiot and I suck. Then I fixed the PyAudio import, I wrote some beautiful code all by myself, and whoop-de-doo, here we go. I was way too excited for this trash. Let me show you. Let me show you. Hello.
Fuck you.
Isn't she perfect?
Shut up.
Okay. I'd like to introduce you all to my new friend, ADAH. Hey ADAH.
What?
Could you tell me a bit about yourself?
My name is ADAH. It stands for actually disgustingly accurate horseshit. I say things because he doesn't want to. Kind of fucked up if you ask me, but I guess that's how it is.
Wait. Alright, didn't go completely as planned, but still very cool. So what I did is actually quite simple. I used this already existing code that recognizes voice input and puts it into a string, after which it used to return a new string with my words and just send it back to me. Because you know, people are lame like that. Then I made a list of words that I wanted to use to trigger the program and actually respond to me. And instead of returning my words, I wanted it to return a response I programmed in by making a switch statement, which apparently isn't an actual thing in Python because consistency is a joke. Okay, I get it. You're bored. You want to hear more of ADAH. I understand. Yeah. Alright. Son of a...
Bitch.
Good stuff. Holy...
Shit.
What the?
Fuck.
I could literally do this all day. But I know what you're thinking. Not angry enough. I agree. So I came up with the perfect solution. We give ADAH 3 modes. First mode would be Christian, where ADAH is actually really polite and could definitely join your Christian Minecraft server. Then the second mode would be chill. Just some basic cursing, nothing really special, just join a random Twitch stream and you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then finally, the third mode is anger, yes. Which is exactly what it says, sorta. Think like Michael Reeves, but angrier. Let me show you. Angry, yes. What the?
Fuck is wrong with your face?
Well.
Well. Dipshit strikes again.
Son of a.
Motherfucking bitch. You deserve to be burned to crisps.
Hello.
Motherfucker.
Christian. Son of a.
Very nice woman that raised you beautifully.
See, I can be nice and polite. I just need some help. Okay, I can almost hear you say it. That's not that special. Even I can do that. And that's probably true. It's not that difficult. Even an idiot like you could do it. But did you?
No.
Exactly. So shut the
Fuck up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Finally, I'd like to show you how ADAH is actually going to be useful for me. Because I didn't want to just have fun using curse words or whatever. I wanted to actually have something that would curse for me in times of frustration. So let's, for example, take a video game I play. And I'm playing a match of Valorant. Because, you know, I like sharing my pain and terrible skills.
Son of a...
Motherfucking bitch. If I see you, I'll punch you in the face.
What was that for? Jesus, man. You know what? Fuck you too.
C makes me less angry and I can actually enjoy the game a little bit. Apart from the fact that I am losing all my friends. But I also programmed it to help me react to Minecraft properly.
Alright, let's just... Creeper!
Oh man.
What?
What? I meant. Creeper go poof.
Okay. That was odd. Oh, of course, also in real life situations.
Oh my...
Fucking god.
So there you go. ADAH, my personal cursing robot. Or something like that. And yes, I'm aware I could have done this in a way that was way more efficient, like connecting it to a database and then when it gets triggered by a word I say, check if the word is actually in the database, and if so, give the response that is also in the database and then say that out loud. But that requires effort and I don't think I'm ready to commit to that yet. Either way, ADAH, would you like to say something else?
Well, actually, I believe that...
Okay, oh my god, stop talking. Oh, what the... Okay, that was a little bit too much, even for me. Thanks for watching. I still don't curse. I don't plan to, whatever people want me to do. ADAH is probably not the best way to fix that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Even if this wasn't a game development video, probably again next time. Follow me on social media if you want. Twitter is a lot of crap and you know, I am filled with crap. Instagram is very rarely anything, but mostly my dogs. Also, support me on Patreon if you want. I need to make stuff that actually only shows on Patreon, because otherwise there's no use for it. Alright, I hope to see you all next time. Bye bye.